Hello and welcome to our Onsite Plants class information video. The Plants class is really, the name is kind of misleading. We go over a ton of plants, and depending on the season, you may walk away with anywhere from 50 to 120 plants under your belt that you will be able to recognize. Even if you may not remember the name at the time, you'll be able to at least recognize them in hand, so that then when you go to your field guides, everything starts becoming more clear. We go around, we do a plant walk, and by the end of the plant walk, I'll be asking you questions. What is this plant? I don't care if you know the name just yet. What is it good for? And you will start then to turn that sea of green into a crowd of individuals, all with individual personalities. From there then, we take it into the nitty-gritty of how do you use this. We go over basic healing techniques that are needed by the body, building blocks that are needed by the body, and how to prepare the plants that you have learned for being used by the body as those building blocks. We cover tinctures, salves, teas, decoctions, fomentations, poultices, and so much more in hands-on application, how to make it. You'll go home with several tinctures, salves, you'll be applying poultices, seeing how they work, feeling this stuff, so that you get a really good hands-on feel for at least beginner's application of the vast field of natural healing. This is a very important class. Goes right hand in hand with the survival basic class, advanced basic class. This is another aspect of that. It also ties in with the self-defense class, in that you'll be able to, if you do not have immediate access to a hospital or a doctor, to be able to stop bleeding on you or a loved one or even a perfect stranger if someone gets hurt. It fuses everything together and is actually the balance for the self-defense class, because used to, in ancient times, when the old masters were taught martial arts, they would not teach an apprentice martial arts without teaching them healing, because without both sides, you're imbalanced. So this is the balancing class for most of the other classes that we offer.